Hey Amazon, welcome back to the campground. And if you got an RV and a pup and a big truck, you might want one of these. This is the COZIWOW pet ramp. Let me put it on the truck, let me grab Tuck, and we'll show you how this works. Now, it's pretty simple. When you have a dog who's a little bit older and your truck is getting a little bit higher for them, you don't necessarily want them jumping up and down. And this pet ramp allows your dog to walk up the ramp or down the ramp to get in and out of your truck. So a ramp like this can make life a little bit easier for your older pup as they're trying to get out of the truck. Come on. Good boy. So the ramp we got from COZIWOW comes in two designs. This is the fully plastic model, and it's rated about 150 pounds. They fold completely in half. They come with a lock here on the side and two handles. Now, COZIWOW makes an upgraded model of this that is plastic and steel, and that one's rated about 250 pounds. Be aware, neither of these are going to be rated to load a motorcycle in or out of your car or the bed of your truck. They will work for all pets of all shapes and sizes, and there is a couple of other little design differences. Like the padding on the upgraded one is more of a stripe pattern as opposed to this being a full pattern. The nice thing about the COZIWOW is it gives you a ton of options. It can easily go under your tailgate or into the back of your SUV, or as you saw, the door of my truck. But what you're wondering is, would I recommend the COZIWOW pet ramp or would I buy it again? Actually, I would. These things are built really well. The plastic model easily holds Tucker's weight. He's about 74 pounds. The ramp angle is perfect as it goes into the bed of my truck, and the grip is really nice for him to get his feet on so that he has some push to get up in or down out of the truck. It's lightweight, folds in half, and is easy to store. It's a great product to help your older pup or your smaller pup to get in and out of the vehicle as needed. So as always, Amazon, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.